my name is Amanda Wright, and today I'm here at my newest listing in Enfield. 11 Claremont Ave is a 4-bedroom cape with an open concept living space and a great backyard. Let's go take a look at this stunning property. I hope you enjoyed your tour of 11 Claremont Ave in Enfield. At Rovi Homes, we believe that who you choose to work with matters, and I want to work with you. If you have questions about this property or any others, feel free to contact me using the information below. Hi guys, I'll see you on the next one.